Hello my crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me, and welcome to my craft room. So today what I am sharing is some goodies that I picked up from beebeecraft.com. I'm a demonstrator for them, and so I get to pick out some goodies from their website, and they send them to me for free, and I demonstrate them in a video. I do an unboxing and 2 demonstration videos. So this is an unboxing, but if you'd like to join their YouTube program, I'm going to have a link under this video where you can apply to be a Beebeecraft demonstrator. You just have to have 100 subscribers or more, and you know, do the videos, and you know, once you're approved, you get to order some goodies. So I'll have that link down below, and also I'll have links to the products I picked up this time, and if you would like to go and purchase any of these, I'll have a coupon. It's Sheree 5, so you recognize it down below. It's my name with the number 5 behind it, and you just put that in your order of $40 or more, and you'll get a discount. It's I forget what it is, $5 off. $5 off. That's what it is, a $40 or more order. So let me show you what I got. I have a method to my madness here. So this spool, this is really neat. It's plastic. I never received a spool like this before. It's like really cool. But yeah, it came in this Ziploc bag. Everything came, you know, really quick, and it came in a Ziploc bag. I mean, this came in a Ziploc bag, and everything you see here came in a bubble envelope. So everything, you know, came, arrived safely. So I'll tell you my method to my madness in a second after I show you what I picked out. So this is some trim I picked out. I believe you could call these all of these trims 4 different things, and this is a leaf trim, and I thought it would be great. I mean, this is a green leaf, so it could be used all year round, I think. In my opinion, I think it can. And, you know, I thought it'd be good for fall, and it's just a good generic little leaf trim here. And it's really flat, so it won't add any bulk once you glue it or sew it to something. I would probably glue it. It's flat like paper, but it's not paper. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but it feels like, I don't know what it's made out of. But it's not plastic. It's just some type of, you know, material. Like, I wouldn't say it's fabric either. It's somewhere in between paper, fabric, and plastic. Combine all of those, and this is what you get. You know what I mean? So, yeah, really pretty, kind of a fall leaf looking leaf, but it's all green, so kind of a generic, right? So that, and then the next thing I got is this beautiful trim. It's gorgeous. Look at this black trim. I have some like this, like some people call it wedding lace, things like that. This thicker lace with this, you know, droppings on the bottom here. And I have some that was, I think when I got it, it was white, and I coffee dyed it. So it's really nice and vintagey looking now. And I got a bunch of this. As you can see, there's a little piece of cardboard in the middle there, but quite a lot. And when you, I don't have the measurements right here, but if you click, if you're interested in any of these, and you click on the product, you know, number, you should go to the listing, and you will see, you know, it'll tell you how much it is, and it will tell you how, you know, it'll tell you the price is what I mean, and how much you get. Like, is it a yard? Is it 5 yards? You know, like that. So this came in this little cellophane bag. And then we're going to open everything here because I want to show you, I want to make sure you see it well. I ordered this orange rickrack. I have a lot of rickrack. I probably even have orange rickrack, but I don't think I see orange rickrack too much. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough. And I never tried Beebeecraft.com's rickrack before, so I really wanted to try it. And if you've never been to Beebeecraft.com, it's a crafter supply website, and it's not just beads, it's all sorts of things. I mean, they have thousands and thousands of things, supplies on their website. So you know, it'd be a good idea just to check it out, just in case you ever need, if you're thinking you don't need anything, check it out. In case you ever do need anything, you'll be like, oh yeah, they have that on Beebeecraft. So here is the orange. It's just like any other rickrack that you would, you know, get it anywhere else. Any hobby shop or whatever, Joann's, Michael's, whoever, you know, Walmart, whatever. So it's just a regular size and it's orange. Okay. So I got that, and the fourth thing I got, oops, is this really gorgeous. I haven't opened it. I haven't taken the plastic off, but I can see. I mean, I saw it on the website. I knew it would be gorgeous, and I've used velvet kind of ribbon before, and it's just so nice. And you to have that little soft piece of ribbon, whatever you use it for, whether you use it for trim on a page or on a tag or whatever. It's just, or you could use it for a journal closure, but it's just so soft and nice to have that softness in a journal sometimes, you know, if it goes with the journal. It's very nice to have that. So this is a deep purple, velvety ribbon, and there's a bunch of it here. Let me show you. I don't know how many yards it is again, but like I said, the links will tell you if you want to click on those and figure, you know, see how much is on here. I'm going to guess, I don't know. It looks like it's got to be at least 10 yards on there. It's a lot. So let me show you my method to my madness, as I mentioned. I want to make, I've made a couple little Halloween journals, notebook type journals, you know, just one is sold, and I still have one in my shop, just with the sugar skull fabric, and I want to make some more of those. But I have had this right here, this book, for quite a few years now, and every Halloween I kind of forget about it. It was on my bookshelf, so last Halloween I put it in with my Halloween stuff so that I wouldn't forget about it this year. So here it is, my best witches. And I just, whenever I found this, I just thought the cover was so cute. Look at this little witch, and she's like walking through mushrooms. She's got mushrooms in her hand, and she's got these little bats, and I love the color of the orange and black. So Halloweeny, right? Here's the back, all orange and black also. And the inside, I was noticing, here's the end papers here with the witches. So cute. And so the inside here doesn't have a lot of color on it, right? So I thought, well, how cool will it be if I, you know, make this into a journal? I'll add whatever pages I add, but I can put some color on the pages with these trims. So here's what the orange one looks like. Won't that be pretty? I can put that on some pages. And this, let's see, this could be pockets here. I could put it like that. I usually don't let things drip out of the bottom, because not that I don't like it, I love it, but only because I'm just a very practical person and I just don't think I'll ever get over that, really. But like, say you have this as a journal and then you have these drippings out of the bottom. My journals are all sitting up on a shelf, so it would be like, you know, to me they would be in the way for me. Maybe other people lay them down, or if you want a journal where you have drippings, then you lay it down. But anyway, so I would either put it up like this as a pocket, or let's see what it looks like the other way, like this. Oh, the only trouble with this is these. Let me see how this would be. See, if you have all of this glued down, say, or I don't know if I'm going to be able to sew through that, so I'm going to say glued down. It's glued down, and these would be just loose. Well, that could work, because it's really pretty like that, isn't it, with those up like that. So we'll figure that out when the time comes. But, and then this could be, if you have a flip out too, and if you have a flip out, this could be on a flip out. Just say there's a flip out on one of these pages, and it would be, you put it on a flip out, and it would be hanging out like this. Let me make sure you can see here, hanging out like this on your flip out, and then you would open up. So that's that one. And then let's see, what else did I get? The leaves. Let's try the leaves on here. That would add some color. So these can go on tags and things too. I just, right now I wanted to show you let's turn it around so that the little stems are on the inside and the leaves are facing out. So something like this. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I knew I would like it, but like now that I'm seeing it, I like it even more. Actually on the page. Hopefully you could see it well. But isn't that adorable? So yeah, I'll be putting these on several of the pages, especially these ones that are just black and white. Add a little color, you know. And then here is the, and you can even glue this down as a trim. I have done that before. Say I have a pocket, I could put it on the top of a pocket, or I can put it on the side of a page. And then when you're turning your page, you just have that soft touch right there. It's very nice. And maybe I'll even use this as the closure on this journal. Wouldn't that be pretty and soft? I really do love. I had some from a thrift store, some pink. Not very much either, and I used every bit of it up, so I haven't had any since. So when I discovered that Beebeecraft had this, I was like, oh, I think I need to get some of that. So yeah, that's everything I got. I hope you enjoyed, and check out, if you haven't checked it out in a while or ever checked it out, or even if you have gone on there recently, maybe you want to look into these items. So that's my method to my madness, to use it in this Halloween journal that I'm going to work on next. And yeah, I think that'll be fun. These could, I wonder if these could be used for Christmas, these green leaves. Probably, right? Maybe put a little red something with it, a little flower, red flower, or something, you know. We'll see what I can come up with for that. But hope you enjoyed. Check out my links below, and the YouTube program if you want to join. And I'll see you in my next video. Everybody have a great day. Happy crafting.